What's going on, beautiful people? My name is Orange is AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT, MidJourney, and Canva to create an incredible, dope cinematic movie poster. Let's dive right into it. All right, so the first thing first I want to do is start with ChatGPT. I want to ask it to create a MidJourney prompt for a Pixar animated person. Give me 10 variations of what it could be. All right, so really good way to be able to like generate ideas. You can also like kind of just simply just go to Google and take a look at what kind of animated movie posters there are. Let's say I want to look at movie posters and animated. You know, I love going through just to get some ideas. Let's say I want to make it look like Shrek or Planet 51, Finding Nemo. Or we can also go to Pinterest as well. It's a really great movie inspiration type of site to be able to look at different iconic movie posters. Let me type in movie posters, type in animated just to specify it. You can go through all of these just to get some really dope ideas as well. So let's go back to ChatGPT and see what they created for us. 10 variations: adventurous kid explorer, elderly inventor, sci-fi space pilot, magical fairy garden, charming villain with style. Okay, I love all of these ideas, and what I love even most about it is it's original. It's very it's just very kind of unique. You're not going to really see a lot of this type of stuff online already. So I'm gonna go with the elderly inventor, a wise elderly Pixar style inventor with curly white hair, round glasses, and a warm smile. I'm gonna go with that. We're gonna actually plug it into MidJourney here. I'm gonna see what comes out of it. Let's adjust our aspect ratio to, I want to make it wide but not so wide, so we're going to change it to 5:6. I think that would be a good aspect ratio. We're going to actually plug in a bunch of the other ones as well, just to kind of get an idea of, you know, what it might look like, and kind of pick one of the best ones, and you know, something that you can just simply do copy and paste with. Using ChatGPT here. If I wanted to create 10 more variations, I could. Just gonna be kind of just plugging these in here, and whatever I find might be the best looking one, I'm gonna stick with that. So go ahead and get out of this box here. And these are, so this is our first one here. The elderly inventor, I actually really like that one. The explorer, I really like this one as well. I think I want them to be a little bit more centered to the front. I love the pixie person. I love the Pixar animated suave villain. So I'm in between this one and the animated inventor. I think I'm gonna go with the animated inventor instead. We're gonna go ahead and download this here. We can download this image. Now for the animated elderly inventor, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to give me a movie title. For number 2, the elderly inventor, give me 10 possible movie titles and taglines. Every movie title always have a tagline, so we want to make sure that we have that as well. Here are 10 possible movie taglines. and titles. The last great idea, Grandpa Bear's, the Tinkerer's Secret. I like that a lot. Let's go ahead and open our image here just so we can kind of compare what title might go well with the image that we created. So let's go ahead and open that up here. All right, the last great idea. Does that look good? Grandpa Gears. I actually like that because the gears in his thing. The Tinkerer's Secret. Professor's Whistle and the Impossible Machine. Sparking Cogs. The Clockmaster's Wish. Clockmaster, maybe. The Forgotten Genius. The Worship of Wonders. I think the last great idea is really speaking to me. So I think I'm gonna go with that. So next thing we want to do is go over to Canva and we want to type in creative design. Let's go with movie posters. I'll type in movie posters here. We want the movie poster to be portrait, movie night poster, or movie poster. Let's just go with movie posters. And on the left side, we should see different templates for movie posters, so that way we can kind of craft what we're looking for. So you know, just kind of take a look at it, see what is out there. We can always obviously make adjustments, make modifications. Let's see what we got here. The last great idea. Let's try this. I'm gonna try that movie poster here. The last great idea. We're gonna use that text. It's very playful, very interesting. So we're gonna remove the background here and we're gonna upload our actual file of our person here. And we are going to make sure that we expand. And bam. The last great idea. We have everything pretty much formatted the way we would want it to go. And this looks really good. I could probably build some stuff off of this right here, but what I think I might want to do is I think I want to modify the image just a little bit because everything is very tight and very close. We don't have a lot of headroom. So what we're going to do is going to go back into MidJourney and we are going to actually do a zoom out. So we want to do a zoom out so that way we can make sure that we are having enough headspace. So let me go ahead, more options just to make sure. All right, I'm gonna zoom out by 1.5. I'm gonna go from there. Okay, so we're gonna go to the creation tool. So when you zoom out, you have more space to be able to see what else is going on in the actual image. As you see. So that way when I'm creating some stuff over on his head or anywhere else, I have a little bit more space to work with. So let's go ahead and upload that file. Perfect. And we're gonna go back to the design here. As a matter of fact, I wanna go ahead and kind of start from the beginning here. There we go. The last great idea. Let's go ahead and upload our image here. And we're gonna actually just plug and play. And from here, we're going to go ahead and then make modifications to everything else. So I'm gonna bring you down just a little bit. We're gonna bring his head up just a little bit more, right there in the middle. Gives us a lot more freedom to work with. So perfect. So let's go ahead and bring that up there. And we want to put the title of our thing is going to be The Last Great Idea. So, but maybe we want to delete that extra great. The Last Great Idea. We had some kind of like some black marks here, kind of keep it nice and dark. Let's say we want to give, in this text here, we want to give a brief synopsis. A brief synopsis. Really using the tools in a way that you need them is very key and essential in terms of creating like the posters and stuff like that. Sometimes we don't, we think that we have to come up with all the ideas on our own, or, that's what the tools are for, ChatGPT and all those different things. Best cast of the year, best animation. Let's bring that down just a little bit. But utilizing the tools in these ways will definitely be able to expand our ideas. And of course, you can always create things. Oh gosh, advised to be 3 sentences. And that's how we are able to kind of like create some really cool stuff that's original. This is something that you can always use Canva to be able to create a poster for, so that way you could post up in your child's bedroom or anything like that. And you could say, hey, this was made by mommy, this is made by daddy. This is something that you created as almost like a something that you created just for your child or something like that, shorten to 1 sentence, and then just using the different tools to be able to kind of like really create this stuff. And utterly, it seems up with the forgotten. Remove the curious boy because we don't have that in here. And then just put the inventor. An elderly inventor rediscovers his passion while completing a forgotten invention, proving it's never too late for one last great idea. I love that. So we're gonna put that in there as a synopsis, and bam, we have it. Let's go ahead and put March 17th just to spell it all the way out. You're never too old to change the world. The Last Great Idea. A film by Orange is AI. Best music of the year, best picture of the year. Again, this is all things that you can modify, change. Best cast of the year. You could change it to best animation of the year, or whatever you feel fit. Again, you can use Pinterest. You can use Google search by simply just getting ideas from other movie posters, because so many iconic movie posters out there. Canva can also be your inspiration source. You don't have to use the Canva template, but if you want to kind of create something really quick, you can. But I would encourage you to use Canva to just get down to formatting, and be able to like, hey, you know what, this is a good starting point, and I want to kind of just expand from here. So I created an image inside MidJourney. I got my ideas from ChatGPT. I started by saying create a prompt for this, and I used it for not only my title but my tagline, and I was able to not only create something in MidJourney, but I was able to kind of like modify it and edit it in MidJourney, because the image that we had before, it was a little too tight. I didn't have a lot of headroom up here. Now I have enough headroom, and now I can create a really centered, cinematic, realistic movie poster. So I hope this video was of help to you all. If you guys have any ideas or any questions that you want me to answer or create a video for, please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll be creating a lot more content for you guys. Until next time, y'all. Peace.